Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Dxtrade on Tradingview in 2026 so that you can place your trades directly on your charts. So here, first of all, come on tradingview.com, then log into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, currently a Black Friday sale is going on in which you will get the Tradingview subscriptions at huge discounts. So if you were looking for these types of discounts, you can just simply use the link in the description in order to access this page. Now only 2 days left in this deal, so make sure that you explore the offers and hurry up. Here on this page, you can either click on the option of products in order to launch the chart, or you can first click on this search icon here on the top, then you can launch the chart in front of you. Now on the chart, click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. It is going to show you all of the brokers which you can basically connect with TradingView. As you can see, we have a lot of brokers available, but since you want to connect Dxtrade with it, simply use the search bar and you need to simply type Dxtrade. Now once you do this, if you see its icon here, simply click on it, then click on the option of connect, then provide your Dxtrade login credentials like your username and your password, complete the verification and approve the TradingView connection. Once the connection is established successfully, you will see your trading balance, your open positions and other information on this panel page. Now if you don't see its symbol over here, as you can see in my account it is not available, it simply means that you can't actually connect Dxtrade with TradingView in your own region. So if that's the case, what you can do is you can simply use TradingView in one tab in order to analyze your chart here, or in the second tab you can open Dxtrade and then you can punch your order from there. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.